what you want? Go to hell. I don't care. We are done.
हाँ जन्नत। हेलो।
Hello.
Hey, are you okay?
No, I'm not okay. I freaking don't understand what's going on. The communication in my relationship is just not working. I want to see you in the morning tomorrow.
Sure, no problem. You know what? Let's meet on the beach tomorrow. And listen, whatever it is, let us just have a solution. Please? Okay, sure.
It's not the same anymore. Communication between us is so screwed up. I try so hard, but it's just not happening. He's not mature enough to be in a serious relationship. Every time he does something so stupid, just pisses me off. I need him to change his approach. Why doesn't he get it?
So you mean he should behave according to your wish, right?
No. See, yeah, maybe he can. I mean, not exactly that. I don't know.
चलियो आम्ही बच्चे सूक्ष्म योगा करूया. You will feel better. Come, join me. Just follow me, okay?
Okay. See, you know me so well, and you're a psychologist. Please tell me how I can fix this.
I can't tell you that.
What? Why the hell do you people call yourself psychologists?
That's exactly why I can't tell you what you should do. And by the way, when we do yoga, we are not supposed to talk. Arey, but I didn't say I won't help you. Come sit. I will ask you a few questions. Do not answer me this. Give some time and try to answer them for yourself. Genuinely. Tell me, what is in your control? What is that you can change if you decide? Him or yourself? You expect him to understand you. Maybe. And he knows exactly what you want without you even telling him. Is it possible? Are your expectations realistic?
Why didn't you pick up my phone? Hmm? Tell me, why didn't you pick up?
Because
What?
I was partying, I was drinking, I was enjoying my life. And why do you care? Do you care about my problem?
No,
No, you listen to me.
let me come.
Just you listen to me first. No, what did you say?
What?
No, what did you say? You listen to me.
What?
Nothing.
Now say what you wanted to say.
You say. If there's anything left to say.
Do you listen when you have to listen? And do you talk when your words really matters? Are you really listening to understand or just hearing to respond? Do you give unnecessary importance to those things which doesn't really matters? And you fail to pay attention to those things which actually matters? Are your priorities clear?
How can you use such words for my friends? So cheap of you. Seriously, I mean, they are mature and sensible. They care for me. It's not like you.
If they are so nice, then why don't you go and live with them? Or marry them? I
अरे आयच्या आयतारा इतलं बेगीन
बेगीन खंय मॅडम देड जाले
हां
You overreact. Maybe because he gives you the reason. But is it right on your part to intentionally use those harsh words and hurt him back? Isn't it more detrimental? Do you apologize for your part?
Hello.
Hi.
Where were you yesterday? And why didn't you pick up my phone? Tell me. Why didn't you pick up my phone?
Because I was partying, I was drinking, I was enjoying my life. And why do you care? Do you care about my problems? Do you know what I'm going through?
Tell me, why didn't you pick up my phone?
Because I was sad. I was hurt. I was taking some time for myself.
Oh, you just gave me a straight answer. I mean, you didn't expect me to guess your state of mind. First time I felt like I'm talking to you and not your friends.
Friends. Let's keep them aside for a while. Let's talk about us. Did I ever tell you that I really appreciate you for your efforts and commitment towards me? No. It's always on my mind, but I never said it. I really respect you for who you are.
Oh my God, I don't know what to say.
It's okay. No, it's a little awkward, but I can feel from your silence that you were waiting to hear this appreciation from so long. But I really mean it. I really respect you for who you are.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember why we fought the last time?
Are you out of your mind? You drove back home alone last night and you were drunk. Huh? Please act mature yaar, sometimes at least. Why do you always have to act like an idiot?
Okay, enough. I mean, I'll be going out with my friends for a night.
Okay, so you want to go out with those assholes? Okay, fine. Just do what you want. Go to hell. I don't care. We are done.
I said a lot of bad things. I never really meant them. I shouldn't have said those things. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for what I did wrong. But how can your friends let you drive when you're that drunk? See, I reacted in that way because I was worried. You want to go out with them, you can. You're an adult, you know what is right, what is wrong for you. Just before that, I want to ask you a few questions. Do not answer me those. Just take some time and answer them for yourself. Genuinely.
The last question, and the most important one. Do you try to find positives in the communication? Or you end up clinging on to the negatives? Because things which gives you pain and misery can also give you joy and happiness. If you find just the right way to look at it.